Tonight, a rare rebuke from former President Barack Obama, condemning the White House for its, quote, anemic and spotty response to the coronavirus pandemic.
It has been an absolute chaotic disaster when that mindset of what's in it for me and to heck with everybody else, when that mindset is operationalized in our government.
During a call with thousands of former staffers and officials that was leaked, Obama also taking aim at the Justice Department's unusual move to drop the criminal case against fired National Security Advisor Michael Flynn, who pleaded guilty to lying to the FBI.
There is no precedent that anybody can find for someone who's been charged with perjury just getting off scot-free. You begin to get worried that our basic understanding of rule of law is at risk.
President Obama had forced Flynn's removal from his own administration and warned President Trump about bringing him on.
He's often warned when you start to see an undermining of the rule of law. So this hits very close to home for President Obama. This kind of action, this kind of speaking out is just a taste of what's to come.
The White House maintains that President Trump took swift action combating coronavirus and says Trump's response to the pandemic saved lives despite the growing death toll. Tom?
Andrew Dimber for us. Andrew, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thank you.